Do you think I revisit this too often? It's almost time. I need you to be ready.
You're in a pretty bad place right now, huh? Would you like to turn your life around? See how the other half lives. Why not try a new identity with our company, Reality Dance? You could be a high-class executive or even an award-winning singer. And the best part is, afterwards, we return you to your old self so you can start making changes in your life. Give yourself a new perspective with an identity from Reality Dance, a division of the reality merchants industry.
Access request. Police Minos system. Voice recognition. Astrid Elizabeth Mason.
Voice recognized. Access granted.
Interview commenced 25th of May 2040. 15-18 hours. Section 6 interrogation room. Subject Abigail Samantha Baker. Age 29. Detective Sergeant Mason conducting the interview. Do you know why you're here, Abby?
Stabbed some cunt in the eye.
Your victim was Trevor Reed, Deputy Commissioner of Section 6 and my boss. Were you aware of this?
One small dick was the same as another to me.
You didn't just stab him, you wrenched his eye out with a corkscrew. I'd like to know why.
Come closer, and I tell ya. He assaulted me.
Who put you up to this, Abby? Something tells me you didn't act alone.
I don't tell you, sweetness.
You won't go on record. All right, Abby. Speak.
Need to whisper it in your ear. I'll take loose behind this, Astrid, but on my terms.
Understand? You tried to bite me? You fucking bitch! Tell me who wanted Trevor hurt, you slut! Who's behind this attack? I know Trevor, and he would never... You tell me who's trying to hurt my man.
Your man?
It's not political, is it? Trevor, you've already met. That little girl? That's me. I have no memory of this.
Astrid,
You know where I found this? Our home, where Trevor and I live. It is safe.
It would be a lot easier to explain if you let me.
Is that you? That's the only explanation I can think of. If it's not political, this is the only reason that you
have to trust me.
Abby, I've seen that look before. Did he?
Into the bloodstream fast release.
You tell me, damn it! You tell me why I can't remember!
She's on to us. What should I do?
Tell her she deserves to know.
You're not real, Astrid. You're an artificial identity I planted in my sister 16 years ago.
Bullshit.
Your purpose was to get close enough to Trevor Reed so we could kill him. My sister, Eleanor, your real identity was supposed to finish it.
You're lying.
She's been waiting in here all this time for me to inject you. I failed.
So what? You're saying you designed me?
The technology was on the streets even then.
Where'd you get the money?
You think I chose to become a prostitute?
No. I don't accept this.
What do you remember of your childhood, Astrid? Before your foster parents?
How did... And did you program me to fall in love with him?
Yes. In the end, we want it to come from someone he cared about.
Get over here before I change my mind. Wait. What happened to you and Eleanor?
He kept us locked in a room. We were street kids. And we got to play God. But one night he came in drunk and left the door open. The rest you know. Time to go home.
Is it now?
Yes.
Is it time?
Yes.